a fun little test I thought of. What happens if you leave the headphones out? I used these yesterday morning and I haven't used them since, I don't know, yesterday morning. The battery life is at 7%, which means if you lose these, depending on what they were before you lost them, you only have a day to find them, sometimes less. So let's try the find feature. Play sound. Oh, they're still playing the sound. What do you think, Paramount Kid?
Great. But is it a sponsored video?
No, it's not. This is me setting up the camera, and then I can see my view right here. And then if I look down, that should work. And then I can control all the settings right here. And it shows me that I have 33 minutes of hard drive space, and then I can change it from 1080. I can do all that fun stuff. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, right here, loop recording, pro mode, horizon steady, grid, diagonals. Yeah, that looks good. Now we just hit record and we can do our unboxing. After you set up your email, forgot to close my blade. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yes, and I still have all my fingers. So it says blah, 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 any number, more options, back. Yes, I'm in. We publish Google terms. Yes, I agree. Going almost 5 minutes on the setup. Google services, use location. Yes, allow scanning. Send data usage, no, accept. Use storage, turn on, accept. Set a pin. Okay, look away. Ooh, set up fingerprint. Start. Ooh, nice vibration motor. Now when I was typing earlier, you can really feel the vibration on it. And you can hear it now. It's doing my edges. Fingerprint added. Next. Nice animations, Google. Nice animations. And open the phone. Skip to go home. Yeah, I got it. Skip. Swipe to go home. Ha! Very nice. The overall size of the phone, I'm really digging, and I really like it has a weight to it. Now, first things first, what are the camera options? Allow camera to access location while using the app. Yes. Save location. Done. Very nice. Let's take a picture of the Kershaw. Does it let me get in really close? Yeah. Not bad. Has a selfie camera. I'm not filming on that camera, but I left it on my forehead because I'm a geek. Video modes. We have photosphere, we have lens, panorama, portrait, night sight, which I'll be testing. Selfie illumination, yes. Face retouching off, timer off. So we want ratio 16:9. There we go. So that really brightens it up. So now portrait, then we can do widescreen. That's pretty wide. I like the noises so far. Well, let me just play with this. Let's see how it looks in the case. Nice smoky case. Hides that almost sunset orange, but I might have it out of the case when I'm at home, but I'm not at home right now. As you can tell, this is not my normal office. Was that setup weird? Let me know. It was really weird with me filming on this. Let me know in the comments below. I'm torn on whether or not I'm gonna keep this or not. My initial impressions, I like it. Oh wait, we need to turn it off. I wonder if this will reach the table. It will. Here goes nothing. Nice sound. Do more while charging. Set up your Pixel stand for easy access to Google Assistant, etc., etc. Okay, no thanks. Let's try landscape charging. Are you kidding me, Google? Okay, if this doesn't do landscape charging, I'm going to be really put out. Okay, honestly, what kind of charging stand is not compatible with both landscape and portrait? Okay, so there's portrait. We know that works. Oh my gosh. It's my fault because I didn't read all the fine print that Google had on their website. Oh, man. Okay, OnePlus can figure it out. Why can't a billion-dollar company like Google figure it out? Google, I don't know what to say. So at 57%, it charges full in 1 hour and 32 minutes. Well, it is only 30 watts. We swipe down, do not disturb, airplane mode, settings, battery. Ah, I can feel the fan, so that's nice. Charging wirelessly, battery usage, battery saver, adaptive, battery percentage, yes, 57. Battery share, cool. Wonder if it'll charge my Samsung. We'll definitely test that. I actually tried that already with this phone, the Pixel 6 Pro, and it doesn't charge the Samsung because the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 isn't Qi compatible. Stop sharing when phone reaches 10%. Very nice. Curiouser and curiouser. Sound and vibration. So this is the 128 gig, and I haven't really installed anything, and I've used 16 gig. I mean, it just barely started downloading Gmail and a few other apps. That's about how much you're gonna get, a little over 100 gig, even though you bought the 128. Yeah, this is gonna take me a few hours to form a valid opinion. The fan is not too loud though. I'll have to test that in decibels when I get home. Right out of the box, it comes at a 15-second timeout. I prefer 1 minute, and I like the screen attention, so it knows that a human's nearby and stays on. Dark theme automatically. Night light will never turn on automatically. Adaptive auto rotate, we're gonna want that on. Enable face detection, screensaver, dark theme, adaptive brightness, safety and emergency, car crash detection, personal safety. Yeah, let's do that. Then it wants me to add an emergency contact. So as much as I like you all in the social media realm, I'm not ready for that type of commitment right now, but whoever my emergency contact is, you know who you are, and thank you for being you. Downloading and installing that update. That was fun. And there we go, fully charged. And yes, it charges faster when you turn it off. Disable battery saver? Yes, please. Okay, I'm gonna take off this bulky Phoenix 7X and sleep with this one instead. That looks better. Okay, let's try that SpO2 one more time, shall we? I'm not moving. I'm keeping very, very still. If this does not work, I'm gonna return you back to Garmin or sell you for parts. So help me. Come on, Venu 2. Are you serious? Okay. I'm going to bed. 3 days. Oh, you know what? We need to turn off AOD. Long press. Settings. System. Display. During activity. Medium. Not during activity. Medium. 11 days. That's bedtime. Good night. Thanks for watching.